Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to block no caller ID on iPhone. I mean, any unknown number cannot call to you. I mean, all unknown number will be automatic blocked. All right. So how you can do it? If you want to learn, you can just stay with me, and otherwise you can ignore this video. So first, you just I just show you some method like one or two method. You can just stay with me, then you can learn. So first of all, you just go settings, then you just scroll down and look and find phones option. Yeah, this is the phone option. I just tap here, then I just enable the silence unknown caller. This one, hold on. Next step, you just scroll down and look and find don't disturb. All right. Looks maybe more down. Okay. Okay. And showing the focus, you can just tap here and you just tap here don't disturb, and you can just customize here little bit like people, and add here showing the favorites. You can just select contract only. If you select contract only, then anybody call here, if you have like saved previously this number, then you can get your number call, I mean incoming call. So that's it, and please thanks for the watching and subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any query. Bye bye.